All right, here is a fireworks view room at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. These are on the lodge side, so this is going to be the standard rooms that you would get, the non-DVC rooms, if you will. And we will start just here in the foyer area. So you can see I've got the little closet kind of opened up here. You can hang stuff in here as well, luggage rack available to you. And then you'll also notice steamer inside, a safe, some additional storage space. Super nice. You'll see over here we've got a little Keurig station, some shelving with an ice bucket. I like the little Bambi artwork here. But you see Keurig, plenty of coffees, K-cups, teas, that sort of thing for you as well. Moving on down, got yourselves a little beverage cooler as well. So that cools down to 41 degrees. So not food safe, but will keep your drinks cold. Over here, we'll get to the room in a second. We've got the bathroom. Hello, how you doing? And hair dryer, double vanity. Love this light feature here. Super, super nice. Then over to the bathing area, shower tub combo, the throne. You have double head with that rainforest head, which is really nice. Of course, your H2O products on the wall. And if anyone knows how to get this artwork from this resort, please let me know. I will be the first one to buy it. Let's move on over to the bedroom. 2 queen setup here. Notice the backlight and the up lights from the headboard. Super nice. Love what they've done with the retheming of these rooms. You can independently control these lights as well. And of course, you've got your little reading lights here, which are super nice. I love the detail in the headboard, like just the super, super elegant. Fits with the theming very well. Little seating area. Nice mirror. And of course, giant TV. And dresser with plenty of drawers, storage space. Of course, the beds are higher, so you can fit stuff underneath. And notice that light fixture from the bathroom coming through to the bedroom as well. A nice little accent light as well. And then we've got a fireworks view, like I mentioned. So this is the view outside of the door, the contemporary. And if you look close, you can see that castle over there. So, Bay Lake Tower. So, pretty awesome room. We will get a chance to see the fireworks later, and stay tuned for more videos. Check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe.